Good morning, students. Welcome to day 6. In previous class, we discussed the incomplete dominance. Okay. So today also we are going to continue the non-Mendelian inheritance only. Examples for non-Mendelian inheritance. So first of all, incomplete dominance is the example. After that, codominance, multiparallelism, pleiotropy, and polygenic inheritance. So our second example in today's class is codominance. Codominance. Now what is this phenomenon or what is this process? Okay. Codominance is nothing but it is the inheritance in which both the alleles of a gene, that is both the alleles of a gene express themselves equally for a character in a hybrid. Okay, I will write the inheritance in which both the alleles of a gene express themselves equally. This word is very important. Equally. Okay. And both alleles. Modul enagtitri, one was dominating the other, but here both are equally expressing themselves equally for a character. Contrasting pair of character anta helabodu, for a character in a hybrid. Short olagi helabodu, the inheritance in which both the alleles of a gene express themselves equally in a hybrid. Okay, like that. Now, this is the example in Bartudri. Example here, the important and simple, easy example is ABO blood grouping in humans. ABO blood grouping in humans. For example, you know already A blood group is there, B blood group is there, O blood group is also there, and AB blood group is also there. There are total 4 types of blood groups in humans. Okay, yellow single body olagilla, individual olagilla. In a population, okay, ಒಬ್ಬರದು A ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರದು B ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರದು AB ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರದು O ಇರಬಹುದು, like that. Okay, so it is seen in again just in different population. Now listen, ABO blood group in humans ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ, now here the blood group or ABO blood group, that is blood group ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 in humans ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ human ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, the blood group ABO controlled by gene I. Now the gene I actually ಇವಾಗಿನ ತನಕ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, one gene is having 2 alternative forms, but the gene I is having 3 alternative forms, that is 3 alleles. Okay, that is the I gene has its how many? 3 alternative forms. 3 alternative forms like IA, IB, IO, or you can also write small I. IO में small I ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ತರ ಇರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿತ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ T small t, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ R small r, like that it was. Capital W small w it was there. But here capital I small I ಆ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now listen, capital, that is IA, IB, 2 alternative form, IO, that is 3rd alternative form. It is also represented as small I. Okay. Now what happens here? Dominance ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಎದುರುಗಾಗೈತಿ, the IA and IB alleles produce slightly different form of sugars. This much is only enough for this class, okay, because you already studied in detail about blood grouping in the first year chapter, that is human physiology, okay. Body fluids and circulation chapter you hodiri already, okay. Now the IA and IB alleles produce a slightly different form of sugars, but IO athwa small I doesn't or do not produce any sugar. This is one. Illi yaar produce ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ sugar, that is IA and IB, they are producing a slightly their own, okay. IA producing its sugar, IB is producing its sugar again slightly different from each other, okay. Now and whereas the IO is not producing any kind of sugar. Now what happens here in an individual? Before that we will discuss one point important here. The IA and IB are dominant, this is very important point, are dominant over IO, okay. Here that is, here the IA and IB are dominant over IO. It means what happens here, when in an individual or in a person, okay, when the genotype is like this, allele IA present with IO. Remember, in an individual only two alleles are found, okay, and when the condition is like that, IA is present together with IO. Now this IA will be dominating over IO and the blood group will be A, like that. I will write again separate, okay. And suppose in case when in an individual IB is present along with IO, blood group will be B, because B is also dominating on IO. This is recessive now here, okay. And again when in a third individual, ivaga nodona, IA and IB are present together, idu irangill ivaga, because yavadadru ಎರಡು allele irtave one person ಒಳಗೆ, okay. Now IA and IB when they are present together, they will produce their own expression, that is the blood group will be AB. Now what about the O blood group? When in an individual, the fourth individual, there is presence of both the alleles IO, it will be giving the blood group O blood group, because here I is recessive. It will not produce any sugar and hence it is recessive. Who is recessive here? IO is recessive, and you know recessive gene can express itself in only homozygous condition, not in heterozygous condition, okay. One by one we will see here. First individual, okay. In an individual, if the genotype is IA and IO, okay, the phenotype or blood group ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Here blood group is nothing but phenotype, but ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಐತಿ, homozygous ಐತಿ, heterozygous ಐತಿ, that is genotype ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. The phenotype of blood group will be A, because A is dominating over IO, that is IA dominating over IO. Hence the phenotype of that children or offspring will be A, okay. Which type of A it is? IA ಐತೇನ್ರಿ, ಮದರ್ ಲಿಂದ IA as well as ಫಾದರ್ ಲಿಂದ IA ಬಂದಿದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಲಿಂದ IA ಬಂದಿದ, ಮದರ್ ಲಿಂದ IO ಬಂದಿದ. It is heterozygous A type, okay. Heterozygous, homozygous ಇಲ್ಲ. Genotype of this one is heterozygous, it is IA IO, but phenotype finally ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, only appearance is blood group A because dominancy. After that, second example, I will not write these all words now. If a individual is having genotype of IB and IO, now you can guess simply what will be the blood group. Blood group here nothing but phenotype. Blood group equal, that is will be B only. But which type of blood group? Homozygous B ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, that is heterozygous B, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ father ಲಿಂದ IB ಬಂದಿದೆ, mother ಲಿಂದ IO ಬಂದಿದೆ, or vice versa. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ IB and IB ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಂದ. ಅದು ಆ ತರ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ homozygous B ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. Here genotype is heterozygous B and blood group will be finally B only, because B is also dominating on IO. I will write third here. Okay. In an individual, if the genotype is, that is IA from the father, for example, or and IB from the mother, or vice versa. Okay, the blood group will be now they are able to express themselves equally. That is important here. The blood group will be AB, and this is example for codominance. Remember, all the blood groups are not example for codominance. Only the blood group AB is example for codominance. Okay, are you getting? Because in the blood group AB, both the alleles are expressing themselves equally. Here, no one is dominating each other. They are both equally expressing here in an hybrid. Okay, hybrid in the sense offspring. Okay. Now, here the blood group AB is example for codominance. It is example for codominance. Now, in case fourth individual, if the individual is having fourth individual having blood, that is allele IO, and also from mother it is IO, the blood group will be O, because it is recessive, and recessive gene can express in only homozygous condition, not in heterozygous condition. In heterozygous condition it is not expressed here, and hence dominance is there. Blood group A, it is which type of blood group? Heterozygous A. And in again heterozygous condition O is not expressing itself, that is blood group B, heterozygous B. Here these two alleles are present together in a hybrid, and they are expressing themselves equally, and that is the word equally is very important, and that is blood group is AB in an individual. Okay, but recessive bandaga enagtadri, blood group will be O. That is, so here the main example for codominance is AB blood group. A barangilla, B barangilla, and O kuda barangilla. AB blood group is the main example for what? Codominance, because here both are expressing themselves. Okay, now let us see its table, how the genotype and how the phenotypes are going to appear in an individual. Okay, with the table. Remember, blood group olaga phenotypes antandaga 4 bartavri. Yavu AB, that is A blood group, B blood group, and AB blood group, and the last fourth is O blood group. Phenotype andaga 4 bartavri, but genotype ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡೋಣ. Just a simple table here. For example, here it is parent 1. We will write just above. It is parent 1, blood group from 1, parent 1, and here from parent 2. For example, father and mother, like that. Okay. Genotype. Genotype of the blood and phenotype, nothing but blood group of BG, blood group of offsprings ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ genotype of offspring ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ parent 1, father mother ಆ ತರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ parent 1 ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, if one allele is coming on the genes, that is one okay, on the gametes, that is IA, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ suppose ಏನಿತ್ರಿ from this parent it is IO. Okay, two forms, actually three forms are there, but that is seen in population, but in an individual only two alleles are found. Okay, now IA, IO, what will be the genotype? IA and IO. Blood group will be A. Which type of blood group it is? Homozygous or heterozygous A? Heterozygous A, because IA, IO. After that, same condition here, IB and IO. It will be like this. Genotype is IB-IO. Blood group will be B. Heterozygous B. Another condition, from one parent IA, from another parent also IA. Okay, I will write here IA. What is genotype now? IA, IA. Blood group will be A again. Okay. But which type of blood group it is? Homozygous. Homozygous A. This is heterozygous. This is also heterozygous B blood group. Okay. Now, same in case of from one parent IB and from other parent also, from father also, from mother also, like that. It will give again which type of genotype? Homozygous B it is. Now again it is B. It is homozygous B. Like that. And after that, what in case IA from one parent and IB from other parent? Okay. What happens now here? Individual will have genotype IA, IB, blood group will be AB. This is example for codominance. This blood group is example for codominance. Now in case, what is here now next? IO. I will write here. From one parent IO, from one or small I baribodu. IO and IO. What will be the genotype here? IO and IO. Now what will be the blood group or phenotype? It will be the O blood group. You already first year universal donor, universal receiver, like that. Okay, that is one. So IO from both the parent, genotype is homozygous, and you know already I is not producing any type of sugar. It is recessive actually, because A and B both are dominant over the I. But when I is present in a homozygous condition, okay, it will express its character and the blood group will be O. And of course, when recessive is expressed, it will be homozygous. Okay, homozygous here also, homozygous. So like that, how many types of heterozygous we have? Genotype are again 6 type. Okay, A hang irbodu, heterozygous A no irbodu. Okay, and A hang irbodu, homozygous A no irbodu. B ade tara heterozygous B irbodu, and ade tara homozygous B kuda irbodu. Okay, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು genotype. Okay, and AB, that is third blood group, third type of blood group, and O fourth type of blood group. So I will write here. This table part illa. Genotypes of blood group equal to 6. Phenotypes eshitari finally 4. Phenotypes of blood group, that is 4. Like this, A B O. Australian. Okay, finally. But ಇದು homozygous heterozygous ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 6 genotype ಆಗ್ತವೆ, 6 genotype ಆಗ್ತವೆ. But finally phenotype ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ತವೆ, 4 types of blood group. Okay. After this, the next topic is again related to blood group only, that is multiple allelism. What is multiple allelism? Multiple andre enri? Multiple means that is more than 2, more than 1, like that. Okay, more than 3, like that. But here it is more than 2. Okay, more than 2 alleles controlling one character. Important definition. Next example for Mendelian, non-Mendelian inheritance, that is multiple allelism. Multiple allelism. Okay. Now here what happens? Many genes controlling one character. Okay. Or allele, multiple means many, alleles means more than two, like that. Okay. Many alleles controlling one character or phenotypic expression. One character or phenotypic expression. Okay. Example, again, ABO blood group in humans. Simple, ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು. Okay. Now, ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? Multiple allelism ಹೆಂಗ? Because alternative form of I ಎಷ್ಟದವ್ರಿ? The gene I is having alternative form like IA, IB and IO. These are alternative form of gene I only. You already form adori, but they are working for only one character. Which character? Express single character or phenotype. Adu yaudri? Which character? A blood group. Blood group. Okay. Now simple one point. Okay. Only, very important again, only two alleles are found in an individual, whereas multiple allelism is found in a population. Very important term, in a population. Multiple allelism ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದ? In a population. Population ಅಂದ್ರೆ means minimum 2 persons. That is one individual ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗೆ one individual ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು. ಒಂದ್ರ that is IA IO ಇರಬಹುದು, IB IO ಇರಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ one person ಒಳಗ IA ಐತಿ, IA IO ಐತಿ, and that is ಇನ್ನೊಂದು person ಒಳಗ IB IO ಐತಿ. IA IO IB IO. But here will be blood group A, here will be blood group B. But alleles ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ? 1 2 3. That is person 1 person 2. It means the multiple allelism is not found in an individual. Only two alleles. Okay, that is okay. Not found in an individual. It is found in what? Population. It means only two alleles are found in an individual. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಇರಬಹುದ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇದು ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ತೋರಿಸಿನಿ ಆ ತರ ಇರಬಹುದು. All the three alleles are not found in a single individual. It means multiple allelism is seen in a population. Again, that is example for non-Mendelian inheritance. Our ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ one gene equal to one character ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. Okay, that is one. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವ? That is one allele controlling one character like that. But here many alleles controlling single character. That is which is our character? Blood group is our character. Phenotype like that. Okay. After this, just I will discuss one example of codominance again, which will be simple to understand. Okay. Now, for example, if we cross, that is a cattle, cross between the cattle. If you cross a brown, fully color, that is a full color of the brown bull with the cow, white cow. Okay. If we cross, that is a brown bull with the white cow, the offspring will be what? According to Mendel, for example, the brown color is dominating over white antandaga, offspring must be again it will be brown only. But here due to codominance process or codominance type of inheritance, both the genes for brown color, that is the allele for the brown color and allele for the white color, express themselves equally, and we get the mixed type of cattle. That is patches on the skin yatra irtavri, brown and white, both are mixed. That is codominance. One simple example in Nenpidri, not in book it is one tantu no bartivi. Okay, blood group in humans anta. Codominance ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಕೋಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ABO blood group in humans ಅಂತ ಐತಿ okay so here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ that is coat color in cattle ಒಳಗ okay if you cross that is a cross between that is brown cattle and the white cattle male and female okay so it will produce a mixed type of expression mixed ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ brown and white mix ಆಗಿ light color brown ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ cream color ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ patches of brown will be seen clearly and also patches of white color also seen on the hair part or body part of that cow clearly you nodirtira already society ಒಳಗ that is brown and white patches are separately seen on a cattle coat that is coat color of cattle so it is another example for codominance okay so today we learned that is the codominance and multiple allelism it is again a very important concept in medical entrance exam rather than in theory ಒಳಗ 2 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದ್ರಿ but medical entrance ಒಳಗ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ okay one after this we will try a cross just a simple example ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೋಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ example if a father with genotype IA okay and here mother I will write in short female symbol with genotype for example IB find out the blood group of offsprings ಇಲ್ಲಿ gamete ಎಷ್ಟು ತಯಾರಾಗಬಹುದು that is what is only all the same means ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತವೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ IA and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ IB ಬರ್ತದೆ just we will see by Punnett square ಯಾವ ತರ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಬರಬಹುದು IA here IB na short ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು AB ಬರೀತೀವಿ okay again it will be AB because both are expressing themselves equally blood group of the all offsprings will be AB only all the offsprings will AB okay like the same for example if the mother is heterozygous B ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will be dominating over O okay what will be the blood group simple ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ okay now IA of that is father blood group IA here also and here IB change ಏನಾಯ್ತು only O blood group will be here AB here also AB blood but here AO blood group will be only A this third individual will have A like the same here again A and O from mother and this individual also have A so ratio ಏನಾಯ್ತು that is 2 offsprings are AB and 2 offsprings are only A 2:2 ratio like that okay 2 offsprings are AB 2 and 2 offsprings are A because A is dominating over B now in case for example father heterozygous blood group in father okay for example ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ heterozygous ಅಂತಂದ್ರ IA and IO means his blood group will be A only in case of mother that is crossed with again mother genotype ಯಾವ ತರ ಐತ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ನಾವು IB and IO now what will be the blood group of their offsprings okay just simple here Punnett square is very important again father there that is IO and here it is it is IA and IO and after that mother's blood group genotype is IB and IO now what will be the blood group AB ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ B and O ಅಂತಂದಾಗ dominating that is B is dominating over IO Okay, and then here A, because A will be dominating over IO, blood group of this individual will be A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ O, because IO blood group is IO. Here what is that? One individual is blood group having AB, another individual blood group having B, and the third individual having blood group A, and fourth individual is having blood group what? O. Ratio is 1:2 again, that is 1, like this. So ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರ. If that is ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಇವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್, that is blood group. If the father's blood group is heterozygous A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ IA IO ಇದ್ದಿರ್ತಾವ genotype. Heterozygous A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And that is, if the father's blood group is heterozygous A and mother's blood group is heterozygous B, what are the possibilities of their children's blood group or offspring's blood group? Aವಾಗ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, or vice versa. What if the father's blood group is homozygous B and mother's blood group is heterozygous B? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತದ ಅದು ನೀವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಪನ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we will stop today's class here, and in next class we will discuss again the examples related to non-Mendelian inheritance, examples like pleiotropy and polygenic inheritance. Okay, till then read well. Thank you.